Would you like a recipe to make shower melts that actually works? Keep watching. Hi everyone, my name is Tina. I am the designer and co-founder of VectoriaDesigns. This video is a bit different than normal. It's not about paper crafting per se, but I provided a free printable label if you want to turn this into a gift. A few days ago I woke up with some serious neck pain. I could hardly move my head. Now, I love my apartment, but it has one major flaw. It has no bathtub. I want this. So how can you relax in the shower? Shower melts. And what is, in my opinion, the most relaxing scent ever? Lavender. So I went online to find recipes to make shower melts. You know, those fizzy items to put in the corner of your shower and it releases a scent while you're showering. And guess what? There's tons of recipes. In this video I just put some stuff together that made sense to me. I'm actually winging it on camera, but it worked. It actually worked. I put one in my shower yesterday and it started fizzing and releasing its scents during my whole shower, and at the end there was nothing to clean up. There was no residue at all. Next time I make these, however, I would add more lavender essential oil. Now, if you like crafting like I do and you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel, you won't be sorry. Now, let's start making these. What do you need? A bowl. First thing I'm going to put in here is baking soda, and I'm going to start with a cup. And then I'm going to put in half a cup of cornstarch and then half a cup of citric acid. This is the thing that makes it all fizz. And then I'm going to mix it all together, get the lumps out. And now I'm going to add the lavender oil. In most tutorials I see people scooping like a whole tablespoon in there, but I'm going to start with 50 drops. So I put 50 drops in there. I'm not sure if that will be enough. I'm going to mix it now with my hand and I'm going to wear a glove. I'm already relaxed just making this. Oh, lavender oil. Just to be sure I'm not making this for nothing, I'm going to add 50 extra. There, I'm going to mix it further. Now the next thing I'm going to do is purely optional, but I found some food coloring in my house. 1, 2, oh, it's already starting to fizz. Of course, yeah, of course. So I'm not going to use too much. 2 of these. This way it will have a nice colored sheen, but not too much. So now you're supposed to make this wet, but not too much, just until you get like a wet sand consistency. So I put my water in a spray bottle, just not to overdo it. A few spritzes, mix again. I don't want to use too much water and I'm going to leave it at this. I'm going to use this mold. This is a flexible mold that I got from my mother. She found it in the back of her kitchen and she's not using it anymore. It's an ice cube mold. And I think you get this stuff in the mold and just really press it hard. I think that is the key for not having them fall apart. Just really get in there and fill every nook and cranny. Oh well. So I pressed them in the mold and I gave it a good extra push at the end. And I noticed I had quite a bit left, so I just put it in an airtight Ziploc baggie to use the next time. Now I'm going to set these to dry, ideally overnight. I already tried to take out a few and they are so hard. I'm so pleased. I'm going to be honest with you, when I put that stuff in yesterday, I thought it would never set, but it did. Look, it's like very, very hard. I'm so pleased with this. Let's see if I can get some other ones out. Just push. Oh, look! It works! Oh, I'm so happy. And to wrap these as a gift, I have an airtight container here. I also provided you with a blank label. It has some lavender on there and it says lavande. That's lavender in French. This label has some blank space in there and there you can put your own text. I'll put a link below how to do that, and for that tutorial you need a JPEG file. I already added some text and I said me time shower melts. And I'm going to apply this label to the jar with some double-sided tape. You can use some glue too, of course, doesn't really matter. For labels, I just like to use regular copy paper or regular print paper. This is 80 grams paper, or for the US, that's like 20 lb bond, I think, because thicker paper is harder to apply. And here we go. Very nice label. Now I'm going to, let's see how many I can get in here. Careful. And to complete this, I'm gonna wrap a nice lavender colored ribbon around the lid. There, look how beautiful. If you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up. And if you think, hey, I might have a friend that might like this tutorial, please share it. And I wish you a fabulous and relaxing day. We're giving these crafting printables away to those who subscribe to our newsletter. Click on the subscribe link below, click on the button I want this now and fill in your information.